Social media management can feel like a never-ending grind, juggling countless posts, captions, and analytics while struggling to stand out in the crowded digital world. But what if there was a smarter, faster way to simplify it all? Introducing the ultimate social media automation system powered by Flux 1.1 Pro Ultra, Make.com, and Airtable, designed to revolutionize how you manage and grow your online presence. This AI automation doesn't just help, it works for you. From crafting perfect captions to generating eye-catching visuals and posting across platforms, it's all done with just a few clicks. Ready to create the system for your business or brand? Let's dive in and create this together from scratch. This ultra-powerful automation begins with a simple idea. It starts with an initial request processed through Perplexity and ChatGPT modules. Together, they craft precise captions tailored for your audience. Next, Flux 1.1. Pro Ultra steps in generating stunning, ultra-realistic visuals, thumbnail perfect every time. Each image is created from just one sentence, seamlessly designed to grab attention. From there, everything flows into Airtable, where captions, visuals, and post details are stored in a perfectly organized system. In the second part of this automation, Make.com takes over, automatically sharing your polished content across Instagram, LinkedIn, X, and Facebook, all without lifting a finger. What you're seeing now are examples of the incredible results. Eye-catching, scroll-stopping visuals created effortlessly within minutes.
Hey, it's not my regular place. I'm at Barcelona right now. I've been here for a few weeks for businesses, and that's why I couldn't shoot tutorials. But I decided to shoot this one here. Now let me explain how you will create this tutorial, this automation from scratch. First, let me show you how it's working. It's all starting with Flux. We will use Flux 1.1 Pro Ultra because it's really so powerful system. You can create really realistic images, and also you can create amazing thumbnails thanks to this. That's why we will use it. We will use it on replicate.com through API, and I will show you how you can set up this system easily and how you can use automatically in this automation system. It's really easy to use because ChatGPT will send the prompt and Flux will create the image for us. And cost of this is simple, just $0.06. So it's cheap, and you just pay what you got. After that, Airtable. We always use Airtable if there is a database, if we need a database in our system. Why we use Airtable? Because it's functional. You can create any application with this thanks to Airtable abilities. It's easy to scale. You can create even customer databases around it. You don't need customer database, but you can scale it easily. You can create a social media system on Airtable. And also, there are lots of automation abilities on Airtable, and I will show you how you will create a simple table in Airtable and how you can connect this automation and manage your social media system. And of course, we have Make.com. Make.com is our no-code automation platform, and we use it all the time because thanks to Make.com we can connect application together. We can use API keys, we can use application modules in Make.com, and we can create our own application, actually our own SaaS on Make.com. And just Make.com is enough for you. It's a number one no-code solution for me. Also, API connection, as I said, is so important and it's so easy on Make.com. Also, learning step is so short. When you learn basics and when you practice a little bit, you can easily make any automation on Make.com your own self. That's why we are using it. And after, of course, we have ChatGPT. Why we are using ChatGPT? You can use Cloud or Llama also, but Why we are using ChatGPT? Because it's really stable. If you prompt well, you get really good results every time. Also, it's cheaper because when you use Mini, for example, it's really cheap. And also, again, functional. I will show you in this system we will use assistant and also chat completion, and you will see how easily it will create image prompts based on our request. So that's the whole system, and we will create each of them one by one, and it's really easy. Stick with me, and at the end of the video you can create your own social media system thanks to this. Before diving in and creating this automation from scratch, let me talk about our school community, Digital Success Academy. In this community I share all the system blueprints, all the prompts, and you can directly download, and sometimes you can copy the prompt and you can use it easily. I will show every detail in this video, but if you want use this system automatically, you can join our school community and you can download all the blueprints. Also, we are helping each other. We create businesses around AI and we create digital marketing solutions together. We are helping each other. So maybe you want to create a business thanks to AI, or you want to grow your existing business thanks to AI solutions and digital marketing, or you are looking for a new career for you, or it's just a hobby. You can join Digital Success Academy. We will share whole blueprints, whole automation systems, AI agents, voice agents, and we will start to share SEO and lead generation solutions too. If you decide to join, you can try our community 7 days free. And as a team, we will try help you to reach your goal about your business or career. So let's create this automation together. Now you can see first we will create our Airtable. So you can see this is the created one, and I will show you examples. Let's click here, for example. This one coming from here. All the images stored here. Let's work like this. So when you select an image, for example, image 3, let's say here, selected image came here, and it will directly share. It will be directly shared on your desired social media platform. You are selecting your social media platform, desired social media platform from here. So if you want to create a LinkedIn post, you just write the idea what you want. For example, something about AI and ChatGPT 01 and prices. When you write this and when you decide the platform, for example LinkedIn, and when you click new, it will go here and for automation, and it will automatically create the caption or LinkedIn post and for images for you, and when you select the image it will share. So it is 99% automated. You just select the correct image. Why we are doing this? Because sometimes, okay, Flux 1.1 Pro Ultra is really powerful and generally giving the really good images for us, but sometimes it's not. So if a human decide, it's better for our automation systems for now. That's why as human you will decide which image will be shared. Also you can check the post. For example, this was an Instagram post. You can see, hey Barca fans, today we are talking a trip down memory lane to celebrate the GOAT, Lionel Messi, and his incredible journey with FC Barcelona. You can see how powerful, and this system knows everything about Barcelona Messi, Barcelona City. Why? Because I wrote, now I saw a news and Lionel Messi seen in Barcelona. Just this. And from this automation created this Instagram caption. It's nearly our own news page. You can create it easily Instagram news page thanks to this. You can pull the news and you can share news with photographs, because you will see how powerful is this. You can see Messi Barcelona legacy, and you can even posture is same. You can easily say it's Messi. And another one, again This one is also powerful. Just this one messed up because Messi, okay, it's not, there is no Lionel Messi, but it's Messi. So 3 of 4 is successful, just one can be problem. That's why we are selecting the image. Also, there is another system. This system, I will show how you will create it. This is the realistic version. You can select a realistic version and you can get realistic images. Also, there's thumbnail version. So you can create YouTube thumbnails with this system too. This is for, again, social media posts, but you can easily convert this to create YouTube thumbnails because, look at this. Again, this is messed up one because it's a little bit weird, but you can understand the idea and how it works, how it's creating thumbnail. And this is a thumbnail, and this one too. And this one too. So it's really powerful, and you can convert this to use any other scenario easily. Let me show you how you can create this from scratch. This Airtable system is easy. When you come airtable.com, you click create and from scratch. My first one, from scratch. Okay, we have our system. First one, it will be long text because we can write long prompt. So this is the post idea. This will be post idea. Second one will be multiple selection, single selection, sorry, because we will choose our platform here. We write platform. As option, we will add Instagram, X, Facebook. You can even use at medium.com, Reddit, or your own website, own blog. So we don't need this. We can convert it to caption / post, and it will be again long text. Status, this is important because it will wait for your approval, because you can pull ideas, content ideas for your social media, or you can pull news from RSS feed to this Airtable, and maybe you want to share some of them. So you will decide what to share, what to create. That's why we will add, this is the, again, single select, but we will add to do, if you want, waiting, for example. Now, we will have 4 images. For these 4 images, we need 4 URLs. That's why we will add our URLs. It's duplicated. Again, this one, duplicate. We need 4, so 2, 3, 4. We have images. Now, we need another selection, and this one will be image select. So let's see, image selection for this, and again single select. Okay. Now options, image 1, image 2, image 4. Sorry, 4 is enough. By the way, let's change this. I will make the same because it's easier. Well, image 4, image 3 URL. Now image 4 URL. Okay. Now exactly same. You can see an image selection, image. Okay. Now we will add another field, but this one will be formula because we want to bring the image we selected to this field, because this will go to social media, this will go to Instagram or LinkedIn or X. This image is our hero image. So selected image, let's say this, and we will choose formula here, and this is the formula. If image selection is image 1, if it bring image 1 URL field. If image selection is image 2, bring image 2 URL field. It's going like this, and when we create field, it's ready. So let's write here and select image 1, sorry, image 2. It's here. Image 1 is BBB. That's it. BBB. It's ready. Just we will add created time, last modified time, because we need this all the time when we are using this Airtable with make.com module. It's always needed. This first step is ready. We have exactly the same Airtable module, Airtable base, and all the automation will work from here. Post idea will come here. By the way, I will add a grid. Post idea will come here. When you choose platform, it will generate caption or post based on platform selection, and after it will generate images when you select, and it will go automatically. So for automation we need another view, grid view, not grid view. We will create another view and another grid. Let's say automation. Create a new view. There is a filter here. If status is to do, it will come here. Why we are doing this? Because we want to select which post we will send to create images and captions. So post about post, let's say identify. You can see this one is empty. When I click to do, it will go there. So this means our system will create images for this post idea. This step is done. Now we can create our automation on make.com. You can see this is our automation system established. This is our first automation on make.com, and this is the place where all magic happens. We have a Airtable module here. It brings our post idea. After Perplexity gets it and makes research about this idea, for example, researching people, or maybe it's true or not, researching about, it's making fact check. And after our ChatGPT, Flux Hero, our OpenAI assistant, gets the information from Perplexity and writes an amazing prompt specifically for that platform we choose. After, one more ChatGPT, and this will write our caption or post. We have a repeater because we want to create 4 times 4 images. So after repeater, this process will repeat 4 times. I will show you. Flux will get the image and will give the image for us, and we will store all images in Airtable. It looks complicated, but it's not. I will show you how you will create from scratch. So this is the make.com. You can create any no-code solutions thanks to make.com. It's basically an application you created for yourself or for your business for manage your social media. It's not looking fancy, but it's more functional than the App Store applications for your business, of course. So we will when you create a new scenario, you will see a big purple button. It's all starting with this. We will choose Airtable module for our system, and we will choose watch records. From this, you can connect your Airtable to make.com. When you go airtable.com and when you go Builder Hub, there's personal access token. Click that. And when you create new access token, create personal access token, you can name it. This part is important. Add a scope. You will add every single of them. You will choose your base and you will create token. So it will say your token has been created, and you can copy this token and you can go back and add Airtable token and you will paste it here. We will choose our base here and we will choose table. Trigger field is last modified time, and this part is important. And label field will be post idea. Sorry. And for the view, we will choose automation because when our post idea went to the automation, it will trigger it. And this is okay. Let's say you can test it, for example. Okay. You can see we have we have our data. After this, we will add Perplexity. Again, we will choose Perplexity module. It will be created chapter completion. We will use Sonar. Okay. And I will show you the prompt of that. This is the prompt we use in Perplexity. That message, content is here. User, we will choose user. Post idea comes from our Airtable, so it will take the post idea and it will research about it. You can copy and paste it. After it, we will add OpenAI, message and assistant. We will choose our assistant from here. We will choose Flux Hero. I will show you how you will set up your assistant user, and let me show you again prompt. This is the prompt, and basically it means we will choose here content. Basically it means generate a Flux image prompt based on this research result. Now you see I choose an assistant from list. Let me show you how you can create your assistant easily. By the way, this is the place you can create your API key for connect. You can see platform.openai.com/API keys. In this way you will connect your OpenAI to make.com. When you go assistants, we have Flux thumbnail hero, for example. So you will create an assistant easily here, and you will write Flux. You will choose GPT model, and most importantly you will write the prompt. You can stop the video and copy and paste this prompt. I'm showing you this assistant ready for any operation, for any social media platform, because it has examples. It knows how it will create a successful Flux prompt and create an image based on the information it gets. You can change the scenario, it will change the prompt. You can change everything and it will adapt itself for create again a great Flux image. This assistant only has one goal: creating a great thumbnail image with Flux. And we have also one more Flux assistant, and this is this one, and this similar assistant, but it's for creating realistic content. So let me show you how it's this prompt. You can see it's really detailed and expert prompt. So this is our assistant. The most important part of this assistant's prompts part. So you can copy and paste, as I said. That's why we are choosing assistant, and it's ready to create prompt for Flux. After it, we have another module. This one will write caption or post, as I said, and this is just create a completion, and you can get again. You can stop this video and copy and paste same prompt, or you can join our school community. There will be prompt files under this tutorial. Let's select GPT-4o, add message, and roll as system. Message is this, and again it will get from Perplexity content, and also it will get platform information, because if it's LinkedIn, it will write for LinkedIn. By the way, I forgot to put same information here, because let me show you platform coming from here again. Okay, now this part is ready. So Perplexity will research. This will write rename Flux. Hero will write Flux prompt caption. Hero will write caption or post. Now, after this, we can send our prompt to Flux. And I will show you how you can do this. We will add first router, because we want to. First, we will add router because we want to repeat this step 4 times for 4 images. Let's wait router from flow control. We will choose router. Sorry, not. Let's add repeater because we want to repeat this step 4 times. So let's say repeats 4 times. And now we will add HTTP make a request. because we will use replicate.com and we want to send our Flux prompt there. I will show you how it's working. When you go replicate.com, you can see there is Flux 1.1 Pro Ultra model, which is so powerful. For example, I will write a prompt and you will see how it's working. Let's select this row. Okay. By the way, row is important because it's bringing more natural looking images really, and our prompt we are using our assistant. You can see raw true. We choose this in our prompt, so always we are getting natural looking, more realistic images. If we want this, we are getting this. And you can see ultra realistic close-up of a Real Madrid footballer in action on the field, and it's cinematic and dramatic. Yeah, it is really, you can see sweat, dirt, and it's cinematic feeling. It can create lots of images for lots of different use cases. It's just about your imagination, actually. So this system also, you can use replicate.com from here, from web, but also you can use their API. So they say how we can use their API. There is replicate API token. This part is important, and you can get this from API tokens. When you click, you will see it. This is the way we use. That's why you can see input, prompt, aspect ratio, and we configured our prompt based on their request from us. So input, prompt, aspect ratio, output format, output quality, and raw. These are our settings, and we are sending this information to replicate.com, and we get our image based on this. Actually, it's working like this. That's why we are choosing HTTP request and post, and name is authorization, and here value, this part is important. We will write bearer, and after we will paste our API here. You can paste, you can get your API from here. I will not show mine. And you can paste here. You can directly your API. It will start with var r. You can paste it here. Body type raw. Content type JSON. And request content. This part is again important. I will show you this one. We are getting from Flux Hero. In our channel, we are getting from again Flux Hero, because it will write our prompt and we will send our prompt thanks to this. Okay. Also this, sorry, I forgot the URL. For the URL, there is URL here. You can use this one from here. This is the URL we use. We are sending here. After it, we will add sleeper, because it takes time to create images. So because after this module we will get our image back to our automation, but it takes time again. As I said, we will wait a little bit, and Flux 1.1 Pro Ultra is really fast actually, but let's say 15 seconds. And after, again, another HTTP module, make a request, but this time we will use get. Same URL, it's okay. Header is authorization and value is bearer. Sorry, this one will come from here actually. From here data. Bearer, your API key will be here. Body type or content type JSON. So this will be our system. And you don't have request content. This one is get. That's fine. So let me run once. Let's write something. For example, a post about O1 GPT payment. Let's say it will understand. Don't worry about it. Let's go here. Let's choose where. Let's choose right now. You can say a post about O1 GPT payment system. Okay. Let's get this. We choose it. I want to get data URL from here, but we didn't run this automation before, so I cannot see this. That's why I'm running first once. I am running once and it will be ready. So you can see Perplexity result. It's about this. I can be more clear about what I want, but it's okay. Prompt is here. It will go there and will come here. By the way, let me change this. Actually, let me change the program. This one. It's better. Let's choose this. It's working. We have prompt here. Let's check our research first. By the way, now authorization like this with Z. With Z, we will write. It's done, but it couldn't get URL because it's not corrected. Now we can choose here. It's finished, but look, it's finished, but it's not worked because we don't have proper data, as I said. Now we can choose because we got our URLs. We will choose URLs and get. By the way, let me show you the image. You can reach from here because you can see what you created. Unlock the feature with O1 GPT for only $200 a month. It's amazing. I tried one more from the automation OpenAirChat Pro. I like this one. This is better. So it can be easily LinkedIn image because we choose here, as you can see. Where is it? We choose here LinkedIn, and it's LinkedIn image. It's not square image. So let me show you other step. It will get URLs correctly right now. Now we will add router, and we will add our Airtable modules here. So first, working this system 4 times and giving giving correct URLs to running 4 times, and every time running 4 times, I copy and paste all of them. It will be faster, but you will see how it's working. Let's connect. So running 4 times this automation step, it can be tricky to store images because always it's trying to overwrite. That's why we are using 4 different modules. So let me show you. It's a get a record module again. We will choose social again, and ID coming from the first one. Here we will choose same social share. We will use table 1 from here. Let me check again. I have to choose each time, so we will choose table 1. We will get ID from here. I will just show once, and you can copy and paste steps. Caption will come from here. Caption hero, choices, message, content. You can just use caption just in first module, and image URL will come from here. Data will be our image URL, and this is this module actually. We can see second one, number 10. After it, same steps. I'll create tutorial, and you can see for each we will get correspondent field. We will get data for correspondent field. The most important part of this one, filters. For first we use this filter. It says condition image1 URL does not exist. For second one, image1 URL exists, contains this one. Image URL does not contain, not equal to data. For 3, image3 URL, image1 URL, image2 URL, and image2 URL does not equal to data. And this is the longest one, image4 URL, image1 URL, image2 URL. Not here, by the way. You have to get from the first because it will not get. Image4 URL, image4 URL, image1 URL, image2 URL, image3 you can see, image3 URL, and data. That's all. This was the most complicated part. and it's ready to use. Let's clear. Let's try another. For example, this is Trump seen in Paris in front of cafe shop terrace with a bagel. This is our post. It's not so important. We will check if it's working or not. Instagram to do. And from here, let's check how it's working. Because Trump seen in Paris. Now it's stuck because we have to choose. We cannot get all data. We have to choose data, URLs and get. For this, for all of them, I will update this part here from second one get. Image for get. Let's run again. You can see one by one is sharing and it's storing data in our Airtable right now. Let me check the result actually. Here's in our thumbnail one, so you can see how good it is. I will show you results one by one. So this one here you can see image 1. Let's open image 2, image 3, image 4. See the bagel. I just want to add and detail. So these are results. 2A file we have. Really big bagel we have. The results are really good. You can see. We got what we want. Now thumbnail version working. I will show these are two. First one is here. Trump in Paris. You can see the thumbnail. Thumbnail versions always so funny. I like them. So I will create a separated video creating thumbnails with this system, but Paris in Paris. You can see we are waiting for Trump Paris, and the last one open. Trump in Paris. Okay. So these are great. Now I will show you really fast how you can share this automation, how it can be more automated. So this is our second automation. I will show you how you will use it. I'm not creating from scratch. I created one before you can watch this video. You can just copy and paste. You see, as I said, all the blueprints and all the prompts, all details in our school community, and if you had a problem you can reach me. You can write a comment under this video, or you can join the school community and you can ask help for create similar for your business or more advanced version. If you need more advanced version, you can ask help for build it together. Okay, first we will add Airtable and watch records, because when we select image it will be shared in platform. That's why we are watching record, and we will watch selected image field. So you can see the setup. It's like this. After this we will add HTTP request get a file, and for this we will choose from Airtable selected image URL. It will download the image, it will get the image for in our automation. After it there is Instagram module, LinkedIn module, Facebook module, a flow module if you want to post it as a blog post. It's up to you. You can connect your own accounts easily from here. This one just for writing an extra article for LinkedIn. It's not needed. And Facebook you can use. I connected my Facebook account, so I will get this caption and selected image. I will get caption and selected image, and it will be. It's that easy. Let's start run once. I will unlink them because I'm not using run once. So choose where to start. I didn't select image. Let's select this one or one. Let's select image one. This one. It's selected now. When it's run automatically, you will see how it's running. Now it's not running automatically. You can open running automatically, and it can run each time. For example, every 15 minutes, once a day, twice a day. It's up to you. You can set this up. So let's check. It get this selected image. So I choose this image. Let me show you. I try new versions. I think we so let's select first this one. We are sure again. Here you will see how it's working. We choose this. It will take automatically normally. This is the so now it's sharing and I will show you how it is. Okay, it's shared. You can see just set down and just now it's that simple. So it's that simple. It's really simple system and you can copy and paste. Second part is more simpler. Today it's all done. All done. So thank you for watching. It's a little bit longer tutorial, but it's really detailed and it's really so powerful system you can use for multiple cases. If you like this video and this tutorial and if you want to catch other ones, please subscribe to the channel and you can like if you want the video. If you have a question, you can write under the video. Also, if you join the community school, Community Digital Success Academy, I will try to, my team try to help you directly, face to face, one to one. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.